Hi friends, thanks you for picking my video. I promise I am not gonna let you down, guys. Hope that you will learn something new from my trading and probably highlight some trading futures. And let's finally start, guys. We are gonna open $500 trades. Let's add the currency pairs right away that have the highest payout. I'm gonna open position according to the trend direction. Well, select trend indicator, it's gonna be the alligator. By using this indicator, it's really handy to open position according to the trend, not when there is a flat. And now I'm gonna show you and explain the example of opening. Let's see if there is dynamics on the currency pairs. It would be better to see less flat situations. So I already see good sharp movements on the charts. And I guess we'll keep these currency pairs, so we are not gonna drag this out and find the most promising trade entry, find the best currency pair for us. So I guess we need to open a short position here. I'll explain the principle of trade entry. We are going to open position considering the pullbacks. Early one, we saw the ascending direction here. Then the resistance zone played out, the price started going down. And now we take a look at the zone in more detail. And we see that all indicators, moving average, are facing downwards. Also, the support zone played out, and in the first case we see the little corrections after which the price goes down, and in the second one we see the small correction or pullback, and then the price movement should go down following the downtrend. That's why we open the short position here. I think we'll see the breakdown right at the end, and the position will be closed with a profit. And the first one is on a profit, guys. Like I said, good trade entry, good timing. We played out on the pullback. Basically, this trade entry is successful, and I hope our future trades are gonna be same. We are not gonna slow down here and find the next currency pair. And I guess we also open a short position here, select the workspace. Definitely good dynamics on the market. We see that the indicators jaws are opened and the price movement goes to the downside, and we take a look at the following zone. We see a small correction here, and after this correction the price should continue moving down following the downtrend. Again, we've chosen the pullback movement, the correction as always, that's why we open a short position. We already see the candle breaking down, a good timing of trade opening, the resistance zone played out, and I think the movement, the downside. So, and like I said, our position ended up with 0, but it's okay. We saw strong dynamics from the last candle and we end up with 0, but it's fine, sometimes it happens. This is a trading and we cannot escape losses all the time, but in our case we didn't lose anything and there is no stopping here. Let's move on. Let's open a long position here. We see a strong ascending dynamics here. We select the workspace. All the moving average of indicator are facing upwards. The alligator jaws is widely opened. After this correction, we have the strong ascending dynamics. Despite candle's low volatility, we see good movement. That's why right after the pullback, we open the long position according to the uptrend. While using this indicator, keep in mind you should always open position according to the trend, guys, because the alligator is the trend indicator, guys. Keep this in mind and never forget. Good level, guys, of our position. There is literally a second left before the trade ends, and our position has been closed with a profit, guys. Another 100% signal played out perfectly. I think you already understood the principle of work with the strategy. The strategy is not really complicated. Even beginners in trading can easily handle it, guys. And we are not gonna slow down and selling the next currency pair. Let's open a short position here. I'll explain the principle of trade entry. Note that we are open considering the trend. Here the sideways movement prevails. We see the flat, but it's okay. Basically, we observe the downtrend here. We see little flat here. That this is some kind of a correction here and accumulation stage. And ultimately, the breakdown should happen because previously we saw the correction from the green candle, and I think the price should go down. That's why we opened the short position. There is 15 seconds left before the climax, and the breakdown has already happened. We see the good level, and I guess this position should end up in profits. Like I said, position closed with a profit, guys. Again, we open according to the trend after this correction, and again we can see the result by yourself. The result is plain to see. We started from $1,500, but now we got $3,000 on our balance, and there is no stopping here. Find the next currency pair for the most profitable trade entry, looking for the good payout rate and look for the pullback, guys. So the price throw here, open a long position, a little bit different principle of trade entry. We see that the crossing of the indicators, moving average did happen, and it tells us that there is gonna be strong uptrend. Early on we saw the correction, then the update of the local bottom points in this zone. I'll point them out for you guys. So, and after this the price should also go up. That's why we open the long position according to the trend direction. The principle of trade entry is a little bit different, like I said, but the result you see by yourself, guys. There is nothing to worry about so far, and I guess we should see the breakdown on the last second, and the position would be close with the profit. And like I said, position is in the profits again. As you see, there is a pattern for the opening such trades, quite successful. It was a little tensory. The position has been closed almost at the level of opening, but further you see the breakdown. I didn't come up with anything. The breakdown did happen anyway, and the position is in the profits, guys. So we are not gonna slow down here. We open a couple of trades in order to consolidate the result if you didn't get anything, and for this we are changing the currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's open a short position here, select the workspace. The only one, we observe the strong ascending dynamics, then the trend reversal takes place, the price goes down. Let's take a look at this zone in more detail. Here is the sideways movement, definitely a flat prevails, but we see small descending dynamics, low candles volatility, we see the small pullback, after which the price should go down. We also see the reversal of the moving average to the downside. That's why we opened the short position and we already see the breakdown, a good level of opening, guys. And as you see, low volatility here. I guess even if the green candle shows up like now, it couldn't reach the level of outright entry, and outrights end up with a profit again. Let's continue our trading session and open final trade and then withdraw the money. Let's find another currency pair. I like this currency pair and I guess I should open a short position here. I'll explain the principle of trade entry. So, despite our moving averages are reversing to the upside, but I guess here is the resistance zone should play it out. The update of the local maximum did happen and hence the price movement should go to the downside, at least to the support level. Now the flat situation prevails and the support zone doing great. The local minimum doesn't update and the price should go down. We played in advance here and there is 15 seconds left before the closing. And on the last second, I guess we are likely to see the breakdown and the position would end up in profits. So guys, our final trade is in the profit. We got $4,200 on our balance. Great result considering the fact that we started with $1,500. And let's finally move to the withdrawal. We are gonna withdraw to my Bitcoin wallet. Let's withdraw $3,200 to keep the exact amount on the balance. Press the continue button. That's it, guys. Our transaction is processing and I guess I'll attach the screen where it's done as usual. Thanks for watching. I hope this video and my trading session was a big help for you guys. Subscribe to the channel and press the like buttons. Good luck in trading. Bye bye.